I'm here with my nostalgia, MyMini Skillet, and this stainless steel Karahi. Let's see if we could cook some chicken. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. I purchased this stainless steel pot in World Market the other day, and I haven't tried it yet. So what I have here is some ghee in the bottom of it, and I am going to cook up some chicken breast, or at least I am going to attempt to. So I have half of a chicken breast that I've cut into chunks, and let's just put it in here and see how we do. So this is supposed to work like almost like a mini wok. Now I don't know how hot it's going to get because it's only on this MyMini Skillet. But let's do this. Let's just put the lid on. This is the lid that comes with the Nostalgia mini appliance. This pot did not come with a lid. I just want to cook the chicken. I don't care if it's cooked perfectly or anything like that. I just want to cook it. It's been about 2 minutes now. Let's see what's going on in here. Okay, all right, so we got some cooking going on here. Let's just move these around. I'm not using a sauce or anything like that. I'm just using some ghee, which is clarified butter. That way I can eat some of this and I can save some for my pets. I don't know if you hear one of them meowing right now in the background. She smells the chicken. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes. Let's see what's going on now. All right. The chicken is cooking, and these handles have not really gotten too hot. Some of these larger pieces of chicken still need some time. You can see it's like really pink. Let's turn that over. Okay, I'm gonna let this continue to cook. I'm really happy it's not sticking to the pot, so that's good. It's been almost 8 minutes now. Let's see what's going on in here. The handles are still cool, which is nice. They're just the slightest bit warm, and I don't know, to me, it looks like the chicken is cooked. Yeah, it looks like it's cooked nicely. I'll test a big piece with the thermometer. This piece was only 150 degrees. Let's put the cover back on and just cook it a few more minutes. Maybe another minute or two. Okay, it's been a little more than a minute later. Let's check on this now. Here's another big piece. Let's just check on this. All right, we're easily over 160. So I'm going to say this is done. Let's unplug the appliance. And this worked great. The appliance is off, but it's still kind of boiling away here. Here's the cooked chicken, so let's taste this. Let's just grab a piece. It's very moist. It's cooked well. It has a nice buttery flavor from the ghee. So I would say this was a success. Let's try this again with the other half of the chicken breast. So it was a really large chicken breast. I cut it in half. The first half I cut into smaller chunks. And then here's the second half. And I just put it in whole. It still has the ghee and the juices from the previous chicken that I cooked. So I'm just gonna cover this and I'll be back in 10 minutes and let's see how it does in 10 minutes. It's now 10 minutes later. Let's see how the chicken's doing. That looks pretty good. Can we flip it over? All right, there's the other side. Let's take its temperature. Okay, we're far from done. We're only at 110 degrees inside, so got a long way to go. Let's cover this. It's been another 10 minutes. Let's open this up. All right, so we are now at temperature, so that's good. Here's the chicken. Let's cut into it. There's the inside, looks really good. Obviously, when you cook one piece versus multiple pieces, I'm not getting as much of the ghee flavor, like a buttery flavor. I'm not getting that. However, the chicken is, I think it's moister when you just cook the one larger piece. And it's just as good as it was. I would be happy with it cooked either way, either already cut up before I cooked it or just cooking it in one piece. So I'm really happy that this pot works really well on this nostalgia MyMini Skillet.